Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic, phrases and clauses. Dear students, let us start today with the noun clause. Read these sentences and let's see what you notice about the group of words written in bold. I fear it is going to rain. Can you guess how the story ends? What we need is good sleep. Whoever owns this place must be rich. Now take the correct answer. Before doing this, let us study its definition. A clause that does the work of a noun is called a noun clause. A noun clause is usually the subject or the object of the verb. Now let us take the correct answer. Does the group of words in each sentence written in bold have a subject and predicate of its own? Yes or no? Is it a phrase or a clause? As per definition, it must have a clause. So, our answer will be clause. Write a sentence on each of the prompts given below using a noun clause. One has been done for you as an example. Said, not refuse such a good offer. He said that he could not refuse such a good offer. I know or no vote for the best candidate. I know that I have to vote for the best candidate. In this way, you have to solve the other examples. Now complete the following sentences by adding a noun clause to each of them. Make sure that your clause have a subject and a predicate of their own. One has been done for you. The mystery is how he entered the house. Worksheet number 14. Do you like crosswords and word puzzles? Write down one reason why you like or do not like crosswords or word puzzles. Look at the word puzzle given below on the subject sports. Note the hidden words athletics and the way the word puzzle is constructed. You can see many words like racket, helmet, champion, referee, match, winner, score, doubles. Now write clues for each of the words. One has been done as an example also, and circle the clause in the clue written by you. Now let us see what is done as an example. You need one when you play tennis. It means it is racket. It is worn so that our head is not injured. Means it is a racket. In the same way, you have to do the other blanks. Now read these sentences. She was late, therefore she was punished. Shalini loves cooking, nevertheless, she does not get many opportunities to cook. We notice that the semicolon is followed by words therefore and nevertheless. In the above sentences, such words connect independent clauses. They help to make the relationship between the clause clear. Other such words are moreover, consequently, otherwise, etc. Now combine the following pair of sentences by using a semicolon and an appropriate connecting word or phrase. Choose from the 8 box given below. The first one has been done for you. In 8 box we can see many words like consequently, moreover, however, but, otherwise and therefore. Let us see first example. My brother was wearing a raincoat. He did not get wet. My brother was wearing a raincoat, semicolon, therefore, comma, he did not get wet. It rained for hours. The weather remained hot. It rained for hours. However, semicolon, comma, the weather remained hot. In the same way you have to do third and fourth. Now dear students, let us look at this picture very carefully and guess the answers to the questions that follow. One has been done for an example. This is a picture of birthday party. Why have these peoples got together? They have got together to have a birthday party. Who is the birthday boy? I think the boy who is standing at the center is the birthday boy. Where is the flower vase kept? You can observe in the picture and write the answers. Now here we come with the last part of the exercise. It is based on completing the dialogue conversation. It is an incomplete dialogue between Randeep and Shireen. Complete it in a very suitable way. Read all the dialogues carefully and try to guess what will be the next dialogue. Have a nice day, dear students. Thank you.